If you're a non-technical person and you have an app idea and you're looking for an easiest possible way to develop this app idea, well, there is an AI agent that can develop a complete app for you by simply just giving it a prompt. From ideation to research and then developing that app and then deploying that app, all of that can be managed by this AI agent. The name of this AI agent is DeepAgent, and this agent is capable of doing so many things. Of course, it can create apps, it can create short videos, it can do deep research on any topic, it can create PowerPoint presentations as well, and of course it can do data analysis as well. Also, it can create RAG agents as well. But in this video, we'll focus on its capability of creating apps. You can see some of these apps that were generated by this agent. So this one is Hot or Not app. So this is just like a Tinder style app where you can actually swipe left or right. Then there is this restaurant guide chatbot. There is this AI dating guru as well, and also this expense tracker app. To access DeepAgent, you can simply just go to deepagent.abacus.ai. Or you can simply just click on the link in description. I have provided a link to this tool in description. So once you have signed up on DeepAgent, this is the interface that you'll see. And now from here, you can just give it a prompt and it will start developing the app for you. But first, let me just show you what I just developed using DeepAgent. So I just developed this dating coach, which is more like a dating advisor, not for myself, but just to like give you guys an idea. And it created this really high quality RAG agent, which has like this front end interface. And also it has like an interactable chatbot as well. And this is how it developed this AI chatbot. So first of all, I just gave it a simple prompt, which was create a chatbot that can give me dating advice. Then after that, what it did a very thorough deep research. It did research on hundreds of different websites on different relevant keywords. So the first research that it did was on this topic, which was modern dating best practices 2024 and 2025. You can see it did research from Forbes.com, from Visual Cover Maker, from marriage.com. So most of these websites are like trusted websites. Then the next research that it did was on online dating strategies, effective tips. So similarly, it just kept going on and did research on all of these different topics. And once it was done, it just created this very detailed PDF file where it just like collected all of that information, then compiled that into this PDF file. This is the knowledge base of this chatbot basically. And here you can see all of these different references as well. It started and then it started creating this custom chatbot. And then you can see it wrote all of these different Python scripts. So the first script that it wrote was for checking feature groups. The second one was checking feature mappings. The third one was setting up document retriever. Then it wrote this script to train this model. And here you can see the instructions that it is giving to this chatbot. Something like you're a friendly and knowledgeable dating advisor. Your goal is to provide thoughtful, respectful, and practical dating advice based on the information available to you. So all of the information that it got from all of those different websites, now it is asking this chatbot to provide the best dating advice based on that data. And then the next step was it deployed that model. And after that, it just like created this URL for us to access this chatbot. So here is our landing page. You can see this landing page is mobile friendly. You can preview it on different devices. So everything is ready. Now we can just deploy this chatbot by simply just clicking on this deploy button. So I can simply just click on this. And now I can just like give this a name. I can name it dating chatbot, and it will create this subdomain, which will be datingchatbot.abacusai.app. You can also provide your own custom domain as well. So if you have purchased a domain separately, you can connect that domain as well. So that means your app idea will be live in literally minutes with your own custom domain. For now, we can just deploy it on this subdomain. I can simply just click on this deploy button. And now it has deployed our project, and this is the URL that it has provided us. I can simply just click on this URL or just copy it from here and then open it anywhere on any of my browser, or you can just like share it with your family and friends. And this chatbot is live now. So here you can see I just opened this URL, and if I just like scroll down, you can see this chatbot is available in here. And now I can just like start with a question. So the first question will be, how do I start a conversation on dating apps? So I can simply just press on this question and press enter, and now it will start responding me based on the data that it collected from all of those different websites. And now you can see starting a conversation with dating apps can feel daunting, but with a thoughtful, engaging approach. But you can see this is a proper professional response that it has provided me, because this chatbot was trained on the data that was available publicly online on the internet. So this is how easy and simple it is to build your own AI app, your own RAG AI agent. You are not required to write any code by self. You're not like required to buy any hosting or like buy any vector database, because if you don't know to build this kind of like custom AI RAG agent, you need vector database, you need your own hosting, but you did not do any of that. And by just simply using this deep AI agent, you built your own custom chatbot. One more thing that I should mention here is cost. So the basic subscription that you can buy is for $10 per month. So basically this will be subscription of Chat LLM. Chat LLM is also a product of Abacus AI. And in this $10 subscription, you can get 3 DeepAgent tasks. You can upgrade to the Pro tier as well for additional $10, which will be total $20 per month. And on this Pro tier, you'll get 25 DeepAgent tasks. So just go ahead and give it a try and let me know in comment section what you think about DeepAgent. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in comment section. I see you next video. Bye bye.